Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move background image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select your background option and click Add option. Firstly I'll add background image. Click this and open your background image. I'll add this one and select Open. And rotation I'll make it 0 and opacity also you can change, and you can make I'll make this scale 100%, and this is horizontal position. I'll select point inch. I'll change horizontal position 1 inch and see this. Also vertical position 1 inch, see this. And this is you can make it left, and this is right, see this. And this is vertical, you can make it bottom, see this. I'll make it 0, also 0. And this is top position, and this is bottom, see this. In this way you can move your image position, yeah, and simply select OK and select file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.